I wanted this patio to work from fall into spring. Calm, simple, and easy to live with. Not a theme to swap out every month, just natural elements, greenery, and a few thoughtful updates that can stay. This time I'm going for simple and calm. Neutral, natural colors, and a little bit of Nordic coziness. I'm done with the rustic, the rattan, the Tuscan countryside. I love those looks, but not to live with permanently. So this is my patio that I am refreshing. As you can see, I've left it and let it go. We use this patio a lot, even though it's in the front of the house and the road is here, but in the mornings it's quiet. I like to sit out here when the birds are singing, looking out over the treetops. It's really quiet and nice. And in the evenings, it's peaceful also. I guess I've been procrastinating because sometimes it feels, for me, if I have too many projects to do, a little bit overwhelming. And I bought plants earlier and they've just been sitting here and I haven't potted them and I've been trying to keep them alive. Then I've just bought some more greenery to add into these planters. And then the eucalyptus, I have never grown eucalyptus. I didn't know that's how it looked. It's like three separate plants because there's three different stems coming from there. But the man at the nursery said if it gets too cold, I think he said minus 8, 10 Celsius, to bring it indoors into the garage. So I can do that. And then I love this tall flowering thing. It's called Gara Sparkle White. It grows to 12 to 14 inches and adapts well to dry or moist conditions. It can be used in, fillers and gardens, bouquets, mixed containers, so it's perfect. We'll see. It's drought resistant, which is good because I tend to forget. Now I try to keep on top of the watering, but I think it looks nice in that pot with the legs, and it'll be a bit taller because I want this to be a little oasis of greenery. All my terracotta pots I'm going to put into the back and continue using them for my herbs and other little veggies and things. Really, right now I'm just going to repot. Mostly have white out here, except for the black planters on the railing. And then clean it up after I've repotted. Use the shop vac to vacuum in here and get it looking as cozy as I can for fall. Because I'm not one to decorate for every season. This will be fall, winter, and into spring. In the spring and summer, I like some flowers, but I think it'll look nice with a lot of greenery for the fall and winter. And at Christmas time, of course, I'll put a wreath, and I want natural, no plastic wreaths. Let's see how it turns out. I have a vision. I'm hoping that my vision comes to life. The rattan chairs lasted years, but they were way beyond my abilities to repair. This time I opted for wood and washable cushions. I really hesitated on the cream cushions. Our first grandson was a toddler then, and now we have two, and we love morning porch time, but little sticky fingers had me nervous. They've been great. Quick wipes for daily smudges, and when I wash the zip covers, they come out looking like new. I really enjoy less color now. I used to be the typical Finnish person and really enjoy pops of bright red or blue in my home, but as I've gotten older, I really love the simplicity and calmness of less. My rustic country table is going to a new home. I couldn't decide on another table, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money ordering online and then not being happy with it, so I opted for this simple side table from IKEA. It's not heavy duty, but if we change it for something else on the patio, I can bring it in and I'll certainly find a use for it somewhere. Plus, I think it's perfect for the price. I really do love the terracotta pots, and I've moved those to the back garden. They'll be full of herbs and small plants, but the front patio stays light with white pots. It really began with this tall cedar my daughter Kelsey gifted me one Christmas. She works at a plant company and drove it home in her old Honda, sticking into the front seats with needles poking everywhere, just like in the movie Christmas Vacation. That tree lives here now, and the green against the wood keeps everything feeling calm. Now this patio will take us through fall, winter, and spring. No need to add anything at all. But at Christmas, I usually hang a wreath or some boughs on the doors. In the summer, that's when I do add some color with flowers, but they're in soft, muted tones. A little light on the table and some overhead patio lights with a cozy blanket makes this a very inviting spot to relax in. At night, the warm lights do most of the work. It's cozy with almost no effort. If you like slow Nordic-inspired updates, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel, and I've added all the sources that I can find in the description. Thanks for being here.